So this morning I'm at a place called Joe's River Park, and it's the first time I've ever been here. I've been to another place called River Park, but never to Joe's River Park. This place is out on Hutchinson Island. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is put the drone up and kind of get a bird's eye view of this place, and maybe we'll shoot a help me find my best drone shot. I don't know. What do you think?
Take off. All point has been updated. Please check out the map.
So, Joe's River Park is right off of A1A, Hutchinson Island. It's really close to the Bob Graham beach access, which I'm going to fly right now from Joe's River over to Bob Graham. Kind of give you a visual of how close it is. Right now I'm approaching the parking to Bob Graham. Now Bob Graham beach access, I've showed you this beach access before. This is the one that has the Hutchinson Island Coastal Trail. But there's its parking. So I mean, it's like a stone's throw. So if you know where Bob Graham is, basically the Joe's River Park is just across the street and a little bit north. Now this little park, they call it, has a little bit of amenities. It's got a couple of picnic tables, a place to dump your trash, things like that. A little bit of parking. It doesn't have a lot of parking. But I think what makes this thing cool, and we're about to go check it out, is this boardwalk right here. It's got a boardwalk that takes you to the riverside. Remember, Hutchinson Island, really, it's really long, but for the most part, it's not very wide. And this little place has a dock. Hold on, let me put the camera down. So yeah, it features like a little dock right there. Looks like you could park a boat there or launch canoes maybe. So in the last episode of Help Us Find Our Best Drone Shot, I took my daughter Annie and we went to the beach, and we both filmed 2 shots and asked you to vote for your favorite one. Well, let's take a look and see what shot won. Annie's shot 1 was a beautiful shot cruising down the coastline, and Erica Lancaster thought that shot was the best. Hey, thanks so much, Erica, for making a comment and casting a vote. Annie's shot 2 was a top-down, kind of focusing on the waves crashing on the beach. The Filipino Cooking Channel thought that shot was the best. Hey, thanks so much for making a comment and casting your vote. Dad shot 1 was a low-flying shot along the water's edge, and Sid Outdoors said, hey, I vote for Dad shot 1. Thanks so much, Sid. That shot 2 was a top-down, cruising down the coast, and Alan thought that shot was the best. Thanks so much for casting your vote and making a comment, Alan. But the shot that won, daughter defeating father, was Annie's shot 1. Congratulations, Annie. I had a lot of fun making this video. Hope you did too. And also, thanks so much for everyone that watched this video, made a comment, and voted. All right, so got my drone, and I think we're gonna go down this boardwalk and check this place out, and maybe get a little bit of different view, launch the drone again, and get you 3 shots that you can vote on for this episode. I don't know if you can see those, but there are some spider webs up there. I think those are the spiders. They're like little fat things. You see that? All right, so watch the trail for spiders. You know what, I'm gonna take a picture of this. This is pretty, so let's get us a picture. So here's how it works. If you've never watched one of these episodes of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot, what I do is I put the drone up, fly it around, and I find 3 shots. And I ask for you to vote for your favorite shot in the comments. And I do this, it's for fun. I love flying the drone. It's like my main hobby that I do, and I really enjoy it. And you can help me by voting for your favorite shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. Alright, so I got my 3 shots. Vote for your favorite shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. I'm Scott, and this is my journey, and I will see you in the next video.